Instructions for teachers. My dear teachers, as you know that today we are doing the number 6, right? So let's see what is related activities with number 6. In science portion, you have to encourage them and tell them that how many legs are there in insects. Yes, insects have 6 to 8 legs. Just show the pictures of those insects जिनकी 6 legs होती हैं, right? Ant has 6 legs and ladybug has 6 legs. In technology, you are going to scan the QR code, then you will come onto this video so that students can learn the formation of 6 and count till 6 as well. Yes, in engineering part, you are going to give them Play-Doh and they are going to make sticks with it. Help them in making 6 sticks and then they will make themselves. And in maths part, you will just ask them that what will come after 5. Yes, what will come after 5 kids? Yes, it's the number 6.